on our way to Edinburgh.
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 So we just arrived and now we're in the tram to our hotel.
It takes 30 minutes.
Yeah, not too bad.
I understand why they say it's cozy, because it's very small. But it's very cute. Let's do a little room tour. It's a very small room, but we have a nice bed here. It's also very clean. And the view, I guess, is actually very nice. So we're right at Haymarket station, so it was very convenient. The bathroom is also very clean. Hello. Yeah, very clean, small, and cozy.
Clean.
Clean?
Love the view.
You love the view?
I really love the view. Look here. Oh my goodness. My travel start right here. Oh!
Got our drinks and we also got some waffle. And I have a pumpkin spice latte because it's autumn, so.
Mine is a pistachio latte with coconut milk.
Mine is very sweet, but it's good. Can I try yours too? How is it?
Just like very strong coconut milk.
Ooh,
It's very
I
nice.
like yours.
Oh,
Try mine.
I like it.
Yours is actually really good. James always has the better choices.
Oh, quite
Yeah,
spicy.
it's very sweet. Spicy?
Oh, it's spicy. I mean cinnamony.
Cinnamon, yeah.
What is it?
I like it.
Can't be wrong.
Can't go wrong with Biscoff waffle with banana. You don't like it? What? You don't like it? It's not strong Biscoff taste, but it's definitely there. And I think now we're gonna go for a little bit of a walk and just enjoy the evening.
Yeah, actually the weather is so good here.
So nice. Looks nice, right? So, well, I'm not sure if pretty, 멋있다, like cool? No. How to describe it?
Gorgeous?
Gorgeous?
Luxury? No.
Luxurious? Yeah, I don't know. Historical? Looks nice. Looks cool. Yeah, I don't have the words. I don't have the vocabulary. It looks majestic.
Majestic.
Majestic. Maybe I can find a better word, but I think that's the best I can come up with.
Danny, I think we are here for healing.
Healing? Yes, I need
The
that.
piton cheat.
Sorry?
Piton cheat.
That doesn't sound good. What do you mean?
Piton cheat.
What?
Piton cheat means it's like you get like treatments from nature. Like
I
this.
don't know that word, but yes.
So it's like there are many good things from trees. Then when you walk here, actually you can heal. Hello. What you doing?
I'm looking for a house.
That means you like here?
Yeah, so far, like, but nothing that I want.
Oh.
Let's look at another place.
Oh, picky CEO.
I really like it, especially with the mayo. I really like it. It's kind of sweet. It's sweet.
Sweet and tastes very unique.
Do you like it?
It's a little bit spicy. It's really
Spicy?
good. It's good. Try. But don't you say this is a baby shop?
Sorry, what?
Can I hear?
I don't know what you're What did you say? I couldn't hear you. Looks similar, right? Looks similar. No? Very sweet.
Is it chocolate?
It's hot chocolate with marshmallows and cream. Super sweet.
Wow, all the sweets. She's in the middle of the crime scene. I got her. You want something?
I'm not sure.
Wow, look amazing. Oh, you look so stylish right now. Oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh, babe, what did you do?
Sneaky purchase.
Wow.
My first barber jacket.
Yes.
Until now, I was always wearing the one from James.
Mine is.
I'm still gonna wear yours sometimes, but I can also now wear my own.
So cute.
Good morning.
Morning.
Edinburgh day 3?
Day 2.
No, yesterday was day 2.
Day 3.
Day 3 and also the last full day in Edinburgh. I'm wearing my sneaky purchase from yesterday. And yeah, let's start the day.
Let's go.
Let's go!
Hello, fancy lady. Where are we going?
There's a viewpoint
Uh-huh.
up there where all the people are.
Uh-huh.
So you look at the castle, I think.
It's not for workout.
No.
Okay.
For vacation, no work.
Okay. This is a really good viewpoint.
Yeah. Photo spot.
Oh, this is really good. And also weather is so clear.
Yeah. Such good weather. So lucky.
What's your spell?
Experience.
About the cutover?
No.
Nice.
More like it. Tastes good.
Oh, yeah. Danny, are you ready to be drunk?
I'm not gonna.
So we don't want to be too drunk, so we chose this one. Only one glass, I guess. We just done with the whiskey experience.
Yeah.
It was really good.
Yeah, it was really nice. I mean, I don't really like alcohol that much and I don't drink whiskey, but it was very interesting even to me. Like, they made it very interactive. You could like smell things, and it was also like a lot
It's
of...
like a visually
Yeah.
so attractive
Yeah, there was a visual
attraction.
experience.
Oh, so good.
It was really, really nice.
Waiting 5 minutes.
Waffles. But now I'm happy.
Alright.
That's the perfect souvenir. I'm a student now. I go to the university.
Jun, don't wear that expensive jacket. You are not qualified as students.
Maybe my parents bought me. It's like in a Korean drama where actually the poor ladies, they always wear different outfits every day with like different brands, you know?
That's true.
It's like that. It's not realistic.
Which one is which one?
I think that's probably the alcohol. One of them is alcohol.
This one's alcohol.
Very interesting taste. Like soda, but butterscotch soda.
Caramel taste and sparkling.
And sparkling, very weird.
I like it because it's a sweet first, and then at the end I can taste the Scotch whiskey taste. So it's nice.
We came right before closing, so actually I don't have, we have like 10-15 minutes left. But we get the window seat, so that's amazing.
You got your backpack?
Yeah.
Let me check. It's a Gryffindor.
Yeah.
That's not your backpack.
That's me.
I don't think it's your backpack.
It's me.
I don't think it's your backpack.
No, that's me. You're so mean to your wife. We'll do the test later tonight.
Yeah, but for now you should bring the.
No. Actually, I was thinking I might be Hufflepuff, but after reading this right now, I don't think
No. The first results say.
Patience now.
What did the first result say?
That doesn't matter. The last result said Gryffindor.
I think you changed your answer
No.
to get different house.
Let's see tonight.
Okay. So you're gonna get fish, right?
No.
I'm gonna get chips.
I'm gonna get chips. You're gonna get fish.
Okay, you're gonna get fish, I'm gonna get fries.
No.
Okay, so you're gonna get chips, I'm gonna get fish.
What?
You're gonna get chips, I'm gonna get fish.
Okay.
Or you're gonna get chips, or I'm gonna get fish.
Okay.
Oh, smarty. It's Edinburgh beer. Well, nice. It's not very light and citrus. I love it.
Is it good?
Yeah, because their fries is very thin.
The batter is thin.
Yeah. It's not crispy, but it's very good. It's really good. You should try. Wow. I like it. I think this is better. It's real good. Are you sure? Oh, you have 4. Hatta! Hatta! Hatta!
Do you think they do scary tours at night?
Here? No. This is too scary. This is too scary. Everything gonna like. Morning, the last day of the Edinburgh.
Yeah, actually we only have a couple hours left. We're about to check out and have some
Lunch,
brunch, coffee situation, and then we need to go to the airport.
Let's go home.
Let's go home to Teddy and Toto.
I mean, can't go wrong with potato and cheese.
Potato, butter, and cheese.
Can't go wrong with that, honestly.